All right, what's up, YouTube? Just a really quick. It's the craziest thing. Just yesterday, I recorded a video talking about how the prop firm that I'm trading with, the Fivers, I've had some challenges getting past the funding and evaluation stage. And the craziest thing is, I just got an email or alert on the app today saying that they made some changes to their funding program, which is it's crazy because I don't know if they've had other complaints, or if they've done some surveys or talked to some of the other traders, but I'm actually pretty excited about it. So the actual the evaluation of the firm that I guess been trying to get funded with is Trade the Pool, which is through the Fivers. And I'm actually on the mini BP challenge right now. And essentially with the mini BP challenge, they once you get funded, you have like a 50-50 profit split. And there's a couple other rules and things that go along with the actual firm. Well, they just made some changes to it where now that 60 second that I was telling you, 60 seconds for a qualifying trade, they reduced it to 30 seconds. And also the minimum trade in order to pass the evaluation, you would need to have at least a minimum of 20 trades. And then one of the other things that are required is the profit target for the mini BP, which is like $20,000. The profit goal was 1,800, and right now it's a limited time. The changes they made to the program, so I don't know if it's going to be a permanent thing, but it said it was a limited time offer, so we're just gonna have to wait and see. But the new profit target is no longer 1,800, it's like 1,350, so they reduced it pretty significantly. So it's kind of exciting to see some of those changes. And literally I just recorded a video yesterday talking about some of the challenges with with getting funded. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. I'm still currently in an evaluation right now, so I still have my target that I'm working towards, and I'm curious to see if they're going to make some changes or relax some of the rules with the rest of the programs. But that's kind of exciting news. So if you trade stocks or in the stock market, I would say take a look at Trade the Pool as a way to get funded. There aren't, that I've seen, I haven't seen a lot of funding companies that really work with stocks. I hear a lot about futures, and I hear a lot about Forex, but not a lot for stocks. So this is it's a pretty good opportunity if you can get funded. And they're a pretty reputable company from what I've heard. And I'm in some discords, and I talk with some of the other traders in the program, and so I haven't heard of any issues of payouts, and I know the customer service has helped me out in the past, so they're pretty solid in that regard. So just wanted to kind of share a quick little update about that, which was crazy, because I was literally just I've been journaling about it, and I've had conversations with other folks about the challenges with this particular firm, and it's kind of nice to see that they relax some of the trading rules or requirements in order to get funding, and even lower the profit target and increase the profit split. So that's really cool. And today, just a quick note about my trading. Today I had a green trading day. For the most part, I stuck to my rules. I was patient. I traded the setups that I've been working on, and there wasn't a whole lot of randomness to there wasn't a lot of randomness to my trades. So that's kind of the only goal that I have right now. It's less about making money, just making sure that I journal my trades, I track my trades. I'm monitoring the time of day that I'm taking trades. I'm monitoring the amount of time that I'm in the actual trades, or the time duration that I'm in my positions. And then also making sure that I'm not just taking any kind of trade. It's got to be the right setup. So I had a few different setups that I have been trading and tracking over the last 5 or 6 months, and I really boil it down to like one, maybe two. But for the most part, was looking at my data, and thank God for me finally becoming a bit more disciplined in regards to my journaling and reviewing my trades. It's two parts to the whole journaling. It's writing down and capturing what you've been doing, and then also finding time to go back and review some of those trades. So the journaling has been helping me out, and from journaling I was able to identify the winning trades that I've had and identify a lot of the losing trades. So that's been a really, really healthy practice. But today was a pretty good day in the market because I stuck to my rules, not just because I made money. And really, that's the only update I wanted to share today. I hope you're having a disciplined process that you're working on to make you a more profitable and consistent trader, whether you're trading live account, or if you are working on a challenge or an evaluation. I hope you're doing good in that regard. And make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you tuning in and watching this. And again, if you have any questions or you have any comments you want to share, please drop them in the comments below. And I hope you have a great day. Peace.